Hello everyone, this is Vera from Quali.shop, and today we're going to show you the different features of the Tefal travel mug. This mug is 500 milliliters and it's great for hot and cold beverages. Cold beverages last up to 12 hours and hot beverages last up to 6 hours. Today we have some water inside. This mug is great because it has a 360 drink area, and you open it by pressing that gray button in the middle, and you can have your drink poured from a 360-degree angle like this, which I think is perfect and great. To clean it, you can open the cup and you can wash the cover and the cup separately. For thorough cleaning, you see we have some two handles that you twist, and this allows you to open the mug cover, and there we go. As you can see, there's different components inside, and you get to have a thorough wash and clean of the mug, which makes sure that you remain healthy and your drinks remain clean. That concludes our look at the Tefal travel mug.